Hey there. So in today's video, I'm going to give you all tips on how to bring your wig back to life if it's feeling a little more tangly and just not quite as soft as it used to be when you first got it. So the first thing that you might want to consider is you might want to consider giving your wig a bath. If your wig is getting tangled a lot and you just feel like you can't run your fingers through it as much anymore and it's not as soft, it probably needs a good bath. So wash it in a good shampoo and rinse it out really well, and then condition it and then rinse it out really well, and you'll find that your wig is in better shape when it dries. And so that brings me to my next one. When you wash your wig, before you use it again and before you brush it, you're going to want to make sure that it's completely dry. Don't brush or comb your wig while it's wet. Make sure it's completely dry before you comb or brush your wig. And so before you comb and brush your wig, you're going to want to condition your wig. Just get like a good wig conditioner and just spritz it just a little bit, and it'll bring it back to life and it'll have like that nice shine to it again. Now, the last thing that I'll tell you to do is if you have a straight wig like the one that I have on, and if it in your wig instructions says that it's heat friendly, go ahead and take a flat iron to the wig and just run the flat iron through it just enough to where the ends aren't as split. And then you'll notice that it's easier to comb and it's less likely to get tangled. I hope you all found these tips helpful, and leave me a comment or subscribe to these videos if you want more tips like these.